Let's see how to create gift tags in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, to create a gift tag, the first step is to have a template of a gift tag or a picture of the gift tab in your mind that you're trying to create. So if you have one, go over to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and for example, I'm trying to create a gift tag that looks something like this. And let's go ahead and rotate that. Now change the shape outline to black and change the fill color into a texture or a pattern. And now that we have that, we can go ahead and type in our text. So for example, we want to put the name of the person. So go ahead and insert a text box. Let's go ahead to and from. Resize this. Make sure that you add a text, rather change the font. Make sure that it looks like a gift tag that fits the theme of whoever you're giving the gift to. So let's change this fill to no fill. And let's delete the border. And as you can see, we basically now have the template of a gift tag, and we can write in their names and our names as the givers. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.